Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Swiss franc. In this video you will get to learn a lot new what you never learned before on this channel. Today we will take trade by combining two strategies. How much profit and loss do we have? If you want to learn more Forex strategy, then you can check my channel playlist. Let's take the trade first. I have deposited $6,000 in this account, which will grow with proper risk management, and we will see how much we benefit from two strategies. In this video I will show you how to calculate lot size. How do I calculate lot size? For this we will use Baby Pip's website. First you will get to see like this. If you scroll down, our position size calculator will come. Here you have to enter your account balance. My account is $6,000. I have filled $6,000. There is risk management under the account balance. Where to put how much risk you have here is my 3% risk. There is a stop loss under the risk management. Where is your stop loss? How many pips? How many pips to fill here? My stop loss is 25 pips. The currency pair is under the stop loss. Here you have to select which currency pair you are trading in. Here I am selecting that US dollar versus Swiss franc. Below it is asking price of current US dollar versus Swiss franc. Which price is currently running he has to fill. I am filing current price. Here our work is over. Now we have to click on the button of calculate. Here are from which our lot size will come out. Now you will see lot size here is the standard lots, mini lots, micro lots. Out of which you have to focus only on the standard lots. Here our standard lot is 0.71. We don't have to take 2 digits of last because they come to the mini lot. We have to apply trade of only 0.71 lot so that we can take proper risk management. Now let's move on to MT4 platform. I am opening lot size, or we will apply trade. Here I will apply 10 trades of 0.07, due to which our total will be 0.70 trade applied. See you after placing trade. Now I will place 0.01 lot size trade, which will make our total lot 0.71 as much as we calculated in Baby Pip's position size calculator. Guys, I'm running $16 loss right now. Now you must have understood very well that how I calculate lot size and take trade. This is my small account. I trade with big account, but I deposit the same amount as much as I have risk. That's why my lot size is high. You can trade with proper risk management with less money. Now let's do technical analysis, by which you will know the reason for taking trade, why I applied for selling trade. Here the major trend of the market is the uptrend, where the market has gone up with a strong move, but we still applied sell trade. For this we will make trend channel, by which the exact position of the market will be known. For this we will take trend line, we'll put it on the higher low side of the uptrend. It is acting as trend line support. Whenever the market approaches this trend line, we see the market going upstairs. Now we'll take another trend line, we'll put it on the higher high side of the uptrend. Connect all the points well, because the more points you connect, the more perfect the trend line will be, due to which our analysis will also move in the right direction. Our trend channel is working perfect. Where we have applied trend line, there we got to see the reversal point. Now we will create another trend channel inside trend channel, due to which the market will be seen changing its direction. We'll take trend line again. For this, we'll place it inside trend channel at this place, because this short downtrend of the market was where the lower come down making the high. Now take another trend line, put it on the lower low point of the smaller downtrend. Here you will understand better how the market is changing its trend. Here both our trend channels are working perfectly. Now we have to create a supply-demand zone, whereby the market has taken support and where has it taken resistance. It will be easy to know. For this we will use rectangle tool. We'll apply here. Here we will connect as many dots as we can. Only then will we know the right support resistance level. Where we have applied rectangle tool, it is the strong support resistance zone of the market. Here the market has taken double resistance. At this place the market broke the resistance and took support at the same place. Here you see the candle wick. This is a fake breakout created due to high volatility in the market. So always put the stop loss away. You might see a wick like this near the support resistance area. The market has taken support at this level as well, and we've got to see the reversal candle. Here also a reversal candle has been created, which is a strong support level. Here again we have got to see the resistance at the same level. Finally here is the trend line breakout, because of which we have taken a trade on the downside. High percentage chance market to go down from here. Here all our rules are being followed well. Our technical analysis is going in the right direction. This is helicopter strategy, where you can see a structure like a helicopter landing. The market has given a downward breakout on our helicopter landing, which we called selling trade place. Now we will use another strategy with what we call the gun strategy. For this we will take trend line, we'll put it on the lower high on the downside. It is trend line working towards resistance. Whenever you put a trend line, keep in mind that how many points are touching the trend line. This will make our trend line strong. Now we'll take another trend line, we'll also connect it to the lower low point with the same angle. This will give you an idea of the direction of the market. Always in technical analysis you will get a few candles up and down, but you can see that candles as support resistance. This trend channel of ours has also been completed, where you can see that the market's first downtrend was. This is our gun strategy. We have done analysis by combining gun strategy and helicopter strategy. This increases the win rate of your strategy and it becomes a little easier to manage trades. In this trade we will see how accurate we are. Then even further you will get to see the video of combined strategy. At this place the market gave a trend line breakout, which showed us the market with a strong uptrend. This is a real breakout that formed one bullish candle after another. Till here our work is completed. Now we have to stop loss and target point. So that we can improve our trade, any trade you take, always put a stop loss and target point. This will keep your account safe, and due to any news or event, big loss will not be seen. Here my stop loss will be above 25 pips, which is above strong support resistance level and small downtrend channel. And my target point will be below 50 pips, where the market will make a new lower low. Let's put it in trade now. Guys, we have come from loss to profit. Our profit is running $47-48. The market has just started going down. We can see good profit again today. Stop loss and target are placed. Our trade is risk to reward ratio 1:2. If this fake breakout of the market happens, then we will see a loss of $180. We hope that we will make profit. We have done the analysis in the right direction. Let's see how the market reacts with this setup. Let's see you after a few hours. Guys, we also thought that the market would hit our target. We went very far from where we applied for the trade. We didn't even expect that this would go down. Markets mostly consolidate briefly after breakouts because there's a bull and bear fight. If the bull wins in that fight, it will be a fake breakout. If bear wins here, it's a real breakout. There has been a real breakout here. That's why the market has gone down so much from here. We get to see such moves sometimes in the market. We did the analysis right, due to which we got to see good profit. Now we wait for the target to be hit. Won't close the trade before that. Guys, target has been hit. We have followed our rules completely. We had this high probability setup that the market respect to, and the market went the same way as we analyzed. It's a good thing for us. Let's close the trade now. Our goal is achieved. We are currently running $323 profit, as much as we expected. This target has been achieved with patience. You can also make profit like this with proper risk management. I'm closing it now.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Woo! Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in.
I had $6,000 in this account, which has been made $6,321. We have grown the account with proper risk management. We took a trade today by calculating the lot size, where my risk was 3% and profit was 6%. If your analysis is correct, then your chances of making good profit are high. Here you must have seen how we have drawn perfect levels. We still see another strong support resistance level. Let's draw it. For this we will take the rectangle tool. We'll place it here because market has taken multiple times resistance and support here, because of which the reversal candle is created. This is also the strong reversal level of the market. That's why here we have got to see the reversal candle again. You also have to do the same analysis. Today we took a trade by combining two strategies along with lot size, which we got 100% benefit. You can also follow this setup easily. Such patterns are very easily found in the market, but you have to be patient in the market. Let's see you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.